Hello traders, welcome to the weekend market analysis. In our previous video, we expected that markets are near resistance and we may expect a pullback or pause in the markets. And as per expectation, we witnessed the pullback in the markets. So Nifty ends this week at 23,500 and Banknifty at 50,150. See, in our previous midweek market update, we expected three options. The first one is a slight high, okay, and other two options are pull back to the gap level, okay, or even the pullback may reach these two levels. So out of three options, and we broadly expected two options, the pullback and one option with slight higher. And if you watch the Banknifty, the Banknifty made a slight high, but Nifty not made the new high. That created the intermarket divergence and the price came lower. So this is what happened and this is the reason behind the pullback. So what we can expect now, and see, as per the rules, the price not invalidate the one more high, but seeing the price action, I currently remove that slight high and I go with the two options of market should move higher right from here or after one more dip. So for this approach, I will say few important levels. So in Nifty, if the 5 waves are completed here, there is a possibility of this can be A, B and C. So the minimum expectation was the price should reach the gap point, and if you watch, the price already very close to the gap point. So the price has been approached. The second question is, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the price may give a pullback in B and the price may go below this gap point even to the 23,200 to 23,100, and this is what we discussed in our previous video also. So the same approach. So this is one option. The second option is, as I said, all this can be wave 1 and this is part of wave 3, and it can be wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3, right? Okay. For this, the price can take support in the gap itself and start moving higher. Okay. So these are the two options I'm expecting now. In both the options, the price mostly should take support in this gap zone and give a bounce. Whether the bounce is stopping at the particular level or not, that is what the important to analyze the further levels. The price crossed a certain level, then we may expect a much more higher. So what is that level? So if the price gives a bounce, we need to see these two levels. Okay. So 23,700 to 23,650. Okay. So these are the two levels we need to see. 23,650 to 23,700, and if the price rejects here and comes back, then there is a chance of A, B and C. Okay, this one. So our primary count is valid and the price decline in ABC and the price may start move higher. The medium term outlook is the price needs to move still higher. In that approach, we are lowering down the wave counts and identifying whether it will go higher right from here or after a pullback. For that, certain levels, that is 23,700 to 23,650. Even you can use this trend line. Okay, it will be even simpler. Even this trend line also comes in our fib levels. So this will be an effective resistance, and if it crosses, we can conclude that more upside is possible. So the resistance and the fib levels comes in the same place of 23,650 to 23,700. If the price rejects here, it can be wave C and the price may even reach to 23,200 to 23,100. Okay, already the levels marked here. But if the price crosses above this level, and you can get the confirmation only after crossing this previous high of 23,800. So this is the update on Nifty, and my primary view is this can be still in correction, and it can be wave B. Okay, the first support can be between this gap. Okay, the initial support uh, may come within this gap, and the price should bounce, and if the price bounces above this range, we can expect more high. But my primary expectation is there is a possibility of one more low, and this can be ABC or 1 2 3. So this is my primary expectation, but at the same time, if the price moves above this previous high of 23,800, and we can see more highs, that is initially to 24,200 in Nifty in coming weeks. So this is the update on Nifty, and the same approach for Banknifty. And if you watch Banknifty, the expected a slight high came in Banknifty. Okay, and if you watch, we expected that the minimum price should retrace to 50,000 to 49,877. This is what I marked in previous midweek market update, and you can see how the price exactly stopping in our range for 50,000 to 49,877. See, in Elliott waves, we can identify the important supports and resistance. But how the price approaching the support and resistance is more important than identifying that zone. While seeing this Bank Nifty, this can be an expanded flat, and the price can even move higher to complete this particular wave. That's why I said there is a chance of moving higher, and that even the price should cross previous high. Okay, but considering the Bank Nifty and other structures, we need to see the price can even move in the ABC like this, A, B and C to this gap point. Okay, this is the expectation, because to align with the Bank Nifty now, because this trend line is the most important trend line. Okay, this will conclude the next price action. So take the close from the Nifty. So to align with Nifty, this is my expectation, and for that the price should not cross above this previous high, but at the same time the most important resistance may come below this 50,450, 460. Okay, these levels are important resistance for the B to end. For this B to end, probably it can become a flat. Okay, and the C may extend and it may reach 49,500 to 49,300 if these wave counts are right, ABC, ABC. Okay, the decision factor is on this breakout point 23,700 to 23,650. In Bank Nifty, the price can reject at 50,460 or below 50,460. So this is the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and let us focus on commodities for this week. So the first one is crude oil. See, these levels I marked a couple of weeks before. I expected 72 as a support, but the support we received and the move to 75, usually I expected like this, but the price is coming lower, and I marked these two lines. When the price reaches this point, we should be cautious, and below this point the price can even reach this level. So these are the update we discussed couple of weeks before, and the price is now reaching this first cautious zone. See, previous patterns are 3-3 waves, and this pattern also can turn to be a 3 wave like this. Okay, yeah, move and one more low. For more downside, the price should minimum move below this point 67.75, and there is a chance of a bounce, more bullishness only above this point, because the pattern is a very long consolidation pattern. Okay, the minimum the price needs to cross above is $81 for more upside. Until that, the price may move into sideways or correction, and for the coming weeks some sort of bounce. Okay, after a slight low, there is a chance of bounce, and even one more low may come. Okay, these are levels we need to see, and based on that we may decide. Okay, based on this bounce, we may decide. If the price rejects and comes below this point, yes, the price can even reach the $66, even below to the 63.5. If the price moves like this, bullishness only above this point, we need to wait for bullishness. Okay, only above $81, we may expect more bullishness in the crude oil. So this is the update on crude oil, and the next one is natural gas. See, this one, when the normal analysis says a breakout, as Elliottwave trader, we said that this can become a trap because mostly expanded flats will trap both buyers and sellers. As per expectation, the price become a corrective pattern. And if you remember, I said that for more down, for example, if the price crosses this zone, the price can reach this point. If the price crosses this zone, the price can reach this point. And if you see, the price crossed this point and reached this point, but does not cross this low as of now. This is how each and every level is important in Elliottwaves. So this is not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. This is not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as of now. So it can become a complex like this. I still believe the price can even come lower. I can see a 5-wave decline here unless it is a running correction. So running corrections means the C ends above the A. Okay, this is the A point and it is slightly above the A point. It can end the correction, but running corrections are very rare, so I don't expect beforehand. So I still expect some more low in natural gas. For that, the price can move like this, a decline and one more high and another 3 sets to come lower here. Okay, it can have a diagonal and come lower and pull back, right? And the price can make another 3 wave to come to this point. Since the running corrections are very rare, I'm expecting this complex. Okay, so we need to wait how the price action behaves here, and you can even draw a trend line to confirm it. Okay, so above this only the bullishness comes in natural gas 3.9. Fine, until that the price may face corrections. I hope you are clear. Okay, this can end the correction, but running corrections are very rare. To me, I will not expect running corrections always. So since the expectation not met, I believe this natural gas may make a complex correction to reach the price level. So this is the update on natural gas. And silver. Yes, we need to study silver and gold by combining together. So this one silver, I hope you remember this one. I shared on 18th January, and see how the price reacts here. Waves leads the price. Okay, I said that this is possible and the price may reach this level only below this point. Okay, see, many are thinking that alternate views. See, if a level touches that point, then only the alternate view will happen. Until that, we should have a primary view. Always have alternate view while approaching the markets. And exactly the price moves like this, and I said the price can reach this high, and the price held already touches that high. Now coming to the gold. See, this also, the price can move like this. Okay, I shared this on 25th January. Let me zoom in, and if you watch that, yeah, pull back. Okay, yeah, pull back and a breakout above this point and touching this 2882, okay, to 2945, and I think it is 2960, 950 or 960. Okay, see here the important thing is, if it is wave B, if it is A, B and C, the price will reject in this zone. Primarily here at the same spot the price is trading here, it can reject here itself and come lower. or else in some situations it can reach even 2960 or within this zone. So we need to see how the price reacts here. This is a normal resistance zone. Even it is a wave B or not, the price will face resistance here. Only if the price closes above this 2960, then we can expect 3000 can be reachable, and this is not a ABC, and this 3 can end here. Then 4 may start. See, the thing is, we are approaching the resistance sooner in the gold. That for that we need to see how the price reacting here 28822 2960. Mostly the price will get rejected here and may move for some temporary sideways. Okay, if it moves temporary sideways, then 3000 is achievable. But if it rejects fast, see the expanded flat of C, it can create a fast reaction at the end of wave B. So if the price reacts very fast, then it is ABC. But if the price moves sideways, then 3000 is achievable in the gold, and this can be wave 3 and the 4 may come minimum to 2500 below, that is 3000 to 2500. That is possible in the gold. But for that we need to see the clear rejection because it is wave 3. Wave 3 can anytime extend. So this is the approach on gold now. So silver, the price can go to 33.23, 33 to 33.25 approximately. Okay, in this zone, more or less few points above or below. Okay, since the gold has the possibility of one more high, unless it is a wave B, it can react fast. Okay, if it is wave B, definitely it will react fast, but there is a chance of one more high there between 2880 to 2960 or 50, that zone. So there is a possibility of one more high in silver too by some sort of sideways for few days, and the price may go to 33.23 approximately, 33 to 33.25, because by seeing the price action, it may act like an W, X and Y like this. Okay, see, these are complex structures. No one can expect the complex structures beforehand, but considering other things, there is a possibility of that. Okay, to invalidate this, the price needs to cross above this previous high, 35. Okay, so these are the expectations in gold and silver. Few subscribers mailed to me regarding the course that will Elliottwave works in commodities, and see, Elliottwave works in all charts, stocks, commodities, currencies, cryptos. You can use Elliottwave in all charts. It will work nicely, and you can see the magic in your charts. And these are few examples. See how the silver and even gold both moved as per our expectation, and this is why I call it as waves leads the price. The price will follow in the path provided by the waves. Okay, so if you want to learn this skill, and if you want to improve your trading to the new highs, and if you want to become an independent trader and analyst, you can register my course. And this course is prepared on 100% practical way, and 400 plus charts has been used for explaining the concepts. And 400 plus charts is not an easy, and the learning never stops. And I will post minimum one video every month, and I will add more charts also in our website. If you wish to get the market updates twice a week, you can subscribe my channel and share it with your fellow traders and friends. And please remember, as I always say, the things we discussed here in this video are only for the purpose of learning the waves, and don't treat it as any sort of buy or sell recommendations. And while trading, give importance to the risk more than a reward, because capital protection is always important more than a profit. So trade safe. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Have a great weekend. Take care.